Do y'all want to go outside? Y'all never, ever want to go outside when I tell you to go outside with me. Do y'all want to go outside or do you not want to go outside? Because if you wanted to go outside, you would have to get in the backpack. So would you want to go outside and get a treat? Because I would put a treat in the backpack. So I guess that's a no, huh? Y'all are stubborn. Y'all only do what y'all want to do. Yeah, you know it too. Now you're going to sleep? When I was talking about going outside? Really? Yawning and everything. You like it when your mommy talks to you? Pretty.